y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then welcome, and if you're not new, hey y'all, I'm so glad you guys came back to watch my channel. And as you guys see in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I take my long box braids into short bob like short box braids. So if you guys want to see how I get this look, then continue watching. And also make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can join my channel, and also hit that post notification button so you can get alerted every single time I post another video. But with that being said, let's get into the video. Before I actually started cutting my braids, I made sure that I had a sturdy pair of scissors, and then I began to put my braids on one side into one ponytail holder. And I wanted to make sure that I put the ponytail holder at the length where I wanted to cut my hair. And then as you saw, I pulled a portion of the braids out, and I'm just showing you guys where my real hair ended, so I will make sure to not cut that area. And right here you see that I'm cutting now my hair at a decent length away from my real hair, just so that I don't cut my real hair. And it's kind of the same process all throughout my hair. I put my hair in the ponytail holder, I get a portion of the braids out of the ponytail holder, and then I continue to cut, making sure that I cut evenly so that it's not looking all crazy. But I basically just followed that same method throughout my whole head. So in order for this video not to be long, I'm going to just speed up the video and let you guys see the whole process. Alright y'all, so as you all see, I am finally done with half of my head, and honestly I really like how I look with my box braids shorter. I can definitely see myself wearing like shorter box braids in the future, but I just wanted to give you guys a comparison of what my hair did look like when it was short versus long. And now I'm just going to finish the rest of the other side. As you can see, I'm finally done with cutting both sides of my head, and I honestly love the results that I got from cutting my long box braids into short box braids. And this is all that I have for today's video, so if you enjoyed it, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed yet, but you made it to the end of this video, definitely hit that subscribe button so you can join my channel, and also hit that post notification button that's right next to the subscription button so you can get alerted every single time I post another video.